Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use brick slap battles. To begin, your main goal is to slap opponents off the map using various bricks. You start with a basic brick, but you can collect more powerful ones as you play. Focus on timing your slaps for maximum impact and always keep an eye on your surroundings. It's all about quick reflexes and smart brick choices to become the ultimate slapper. Acquiring new bricks is crucial for success. You can find them scattered across the map or earn them by eliminating other players. There are many types, from the heavy sledge brick to the quick dash brick, each with distinct effects. Experiment to find your favorites. Remember, a well-timed slap with a powerful brick can send an opponent flying a great distance, securing you a point. To truly excel, master advanced techniques. Look for temporary power-ups like speed boosts or increased slap power, which appear periodically. Combining bricks, such as using a sticky brick to slow an enemy before a knockback brick for a powerful finish, can be very effective. Also, learning to dodge incoming slaps and immediately counter-slap is a game-changer, keeping you in the fight longer. Winning consistently requires smart strategy. Try to control central areas of the map, as these often provide better access to new bricks and power-ups. Observe your opponent's playstyles. If someone is aggressive, use a defensive brick. If they are evasive, try a brick with a wider hit radius. Always be aware of who is around you and where the edge of the arena is. Good luck, slappers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.